So in this video, we're going to be going over the best strategy on hashtags, how to get more views and how to get more followers. We're also going to be going over people like Rachel Peterson, Neil Patel, and Robert Benjamin. So there's so many people that tell you that their strategies are the best, when the reality is you're going to learn that there's a reason why these people tell you what strategies to use, and I'll be sharing with you later on in the video. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be watching a couple of videos and we're going to break down, does it actually work, and why you shouldn't be listening to a lot of people that are telling you how to use different hashtags. Okay, so we're going to go straight into Neil Patel.
Instagram like crazy with these 5 tips. Number 1, use the topics tab before posting to categorize your content. Number 2.
Yes, I haven't really noticed anything different about that. You can use it. It's not going to make that much of a difference.
Stop using more than 5 hashtags. It doesn't work as well anymore. There's no point in spamming with 30 hashtags.
Okay, so that's incredibly wrong. So if you go to my video here, I did a video on Avita grew from 0 to 500,000 followers in just 6 months. And not only that, she's made over $500,000. What she did, and make sure you watch the video after this video, is she used the 30 hashtags, because what the hashtags are there for, and I think Neil's a little bit confused here, is you're not using hashtags to be seen on the For You page or to be seen on a particular page. You're training the algorithm to basically collect data in your account. When you start a new Instagram page, and any page, it's got 0 data. So if you start using 30 hashtags that in line with what you're doing, let's just say you're a social media marketer and you help people on LinkedIn, just as an example. If you don't use any hashtags and you use 3 hashtags, you're feeding the algorithm less data. So yes, it's still going to work, but it's better for you if, again, you watch Avita's video, she was using the 30 hashtags, and then as she started to get views, as she started to get followers, and as she started to train the algorithm knew who to send her photos to, her videos, her reels. So as a result, if you go to what she's doing now, she doesn't use hashtags because she doesn't need to. It's not about using 3 hashtags or 5 or 30. It's about using hashtags to train the algorithm. When your account has data, you don't have to use hashtags anymore. Let's go over Rachel Peterson.
Greatest hashtag strategy to use if you are a smaller account or creator on TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. And it is not any of these guru strategies.
Okay, so that's also wrong. Now, it's wrong, but it's also right. I've seen maybe 100, maybe 200 videos of people using trending For You page viral, and they have like 50, 100, 200 million views on their videos. And I actually did a video, I don't know what video I did, but there's people that are getting literally hundreds of millions of views using these hashtags. Now, if you're selling a service, whether it's an offer, you're selling a course, whether you're a LinkedIn coach or an Instagram coach or business coach, then definitely you're not going to use stuff like this because it's not going to be beneficial. However, if you do have something that's viral and trending, now these 3 hashtags, 99% of the time, again, if you're selling a course or program, they're not going to work. These hashtags are good if you're creating something or like a video, or you've got a viral page that's either funny, it's got funny dog videos, funny cat videos, anything, people falling over, and just like a reaction channel. So these videos can work. Okay, let's keep watching this video.
I present to you my 3x3 hashtag strategy. First, you're going to use 1 to 3 hashtags that are related to who you serve, not who you are. Then you're going to pick 1 to 3 hashtags that are related to what it is that you offer, and then 1 to 3 hashtags related to why, aka the pain points that people are going through. And
I actually love what Rachel's doing here. Can you see how Rachel gets a lot of views and followers and subscribers? Isn't what she's actually teaching, it's the strategy in her videos. By what she's doing here, Rachel's 3x3 strategy, it kind of makes it sound exciting, like it's this new exciting strategy that works. Neil Patel does the same thing. So many creators just literally make up stuff to get views. Now, Rachel's 3x3 strategy, you want to know what it is. Now, look at this video, and I might actually try this video, how she's doing that thing with the paper. It makes you want to know what's coming next. So she's getting a high retention rate, a high watch time, and as a result, the algorithm's is going to push it out to more people. What you can learn from Rachel's video right now is do what she's doing in the video. Don't use the hashtag strategy. Do what she's doing in this video where you're teaching something 1, 2, 3, and you're doing this with the paper, because that's going to get people to watch. She's put here who you serve, what you offer. Now, as you can see, she's using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So she's not even using her own strategy. Now, she did say small creators, but again, a lot of these people will tell you what to do, but they don't actually do it themselves. Let's go to Rachel's account. She's got 1.3 million followers. As I said before, she's grew a huge following. With Rachel, she's easy to connect with. You're able to resonate with her, and she's someone that you'd like to have a coffee with in real life. She's not in your face, and that's why she whispers like this. She whispers a lot because it's kind of like your best friend. It's not someone like an Dan Locke or a Tony Robbins wearing suits. It's just a normal person that does videos at home. Yeah, so you're able to relate to her and resonate with her. But let's just see if she is using her own strategy. So let's just go to this one here. That's a pinned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So she's using 5 hashtags. Let's go to a random one. No hashtags. Okay. She's not even using her own strategy. No hashtags. She could then say, well, she's not a small account and this is only aimed at small accounts. She's right, but I also don't agree with it, because when you're a small account, you should be using more hashtags because the algorithm doesn't know. It's got no data. You need to feed the algorithm data. Let's go over to Robert Benjamin. Robert is the king of clickbait. I could literally do a video on what he's doing, and I might actually do a breakdown strategy on what Robert's doing. He's got 721,000 subscribers right now. So I'll just change this so you can see 721,000 subscribers. So that is actually huge. A lot of people would love that. And I'm pretty sure he's done that in a very small time frame. So let's just go to videos here. Let's go oldest. He's done it in 4 years. So that is actually impressive. 4 years to grow almost 1 million subscribers. Robert is the king of clickbait. You'll watch about 10 of his videos and you still don't know what to do. And he's done that on purpose because you keep needing to watch videos. Instead of telling people here's exactly what you need to do, he'll kind of tell you what to do without telling you what to do. And that's when you keep watching his videos, and you need to subscribe to his channel to learn what to do, but he actually never teaches you what to do. I can totally break down his content, which I will do in another video. But what we're going to be doing is we're going to be watching this video here.
The best hashtags used on Instagram have recently changed, and if you don't adapt to the 3 hashtag strategies I'm going to be sharing with you in this video, well, it could be the reason that you're seeing a decrease in the amount of views that you're getting or the amount of followers that you're getting. And now
notice how he's talking about pain and frustration. So a lot of people have a lot of pain when it comes to gaining followers and gaining subscribers. So this is what gets people to watch.
Would be terrible, because it's easier to grow on Instagram right now than it ever has been before because of a new feature that Instagram just launched, and I'm going to share that with you towards the end of this video.
Towards the end of this video. So that's how he gets the watch time. He promised you something after talking about the pain and the frustrations, but you got to watch to the end of the video to get the secrets.
By the way, the last hashtag strategy I share with you is by far the most important.
The last hashtag strategy. So again, he just wants watch time. He just wants watch time using 1, 2 hashtags. Okay, so he's basically telling you to use massive hashtags, which I don't really agree with. And then he's trying to sell you his course. Let's go over his last one.
First one is that you haven't implemented the tips that I just shared with you, and the second is that you haven't gotten into my Instagram mentorship.
Again, he's just literally selling you stuff. If you go to his Instagram, so he's teaching you how to use hashtags on Instagram, yet he doesn't even use any. So how can he be teaching you what to do if he doesn't actually do it himself? Now, he's probably a good guy. I don't personally know Robert in real life. Could be a really nice guy, but I can't see his strategy. He's not doing any reels. Maybe he's got another Instagram account that I don't know about, but clearly what I will say is with Robert, he's the king of clickbait. He will tell you what to do and you watch the video and you still don't know what to do. What I'm going to be sharing with you in this video is a lot of creators will do these videos. You know, Rachel, we got Neil Patel, we got Robert Benjamin. We've also got other creators that will watch one more video. We'll watch one more video.
To go viral every time. Hashtags work so long as you do it like this. First is the niche specific group. So say you're into fitness. You're going to go to the search bar. You're going to type in fitness. You're going to scroll over to the hashtags and you're going to want to find 3 hashtags between 500 million.
I'm just going to pause this. Yep. So what you've just seen, I've just shown you 4 completely different videos of 4 different creators telling you 4 completely different things. So that tells me that they're doing this to build their authority up because they've got the secret sauce. They've got the only tips and tricks. And they're doing this to build their own following, to build their own audience, to build their own authority. So then, like Robert, you then buy their course. Now, there's nothing wrong with that, but I'm here to tell you that, again, you've got Neil Patel telling you not to use any more than 5. You've got Rachel telling you one thing. You've got the other guy telling you one thing. And then we've got Avita, who I'm sure you're going to watch the video here. It's a strategy video where I break down Avita's strategy, how she's gone from 0 to 500,000 followers in 6 months. On Instagram, she used 30 hashtags, and then she got to the stage where she started to go viral. The algorithm picked her up. The algorithm knew the data, and as a result, if you go to her latest videos, like the latest 10, 20, 30, she doesn't use hashtags anymore. Why? Because the algorithm is trained and her account has enough data. You could watch thousands of different videos from thousands of different creators, and they're all going to tell you that their strategy is the best, that their Alan Beck's secret 5 hashtag strategy, Alan Beck's 9 hashtag strategy to go viral. It's all BS. What truly matters, and what Rachel has done here is, I'll go back to this part here. Can you see this? It says, not true. I do this on my videos, never get anywhere. So he's tried Rachel's secret 3x3 strategy and it didn't work. Rachel's reply, your problem isn't the hashtags, your content needs some up leveling. So Rachel has just proven my point. It's got nothing to do with the hashtags, because if all these strategies worked, it would work on every single video. The hashtags are basically irrelevant. You're using them to train the algorithm, so it's got more data. What actually matters is the content. Will people watch your video? Will people watch to the very end of your video? Will people comment? Will people engage and like it? Will people save it? Will people share it? Will people follow and subscribe after watching the video? Will people watch your video and then keep watching your videos and videos and videos and share that? Everything matters, guys. But what truly matters is the value that you're providing in your videos. It's got nothing to do with the hashtag. So that is the right hashtag strategy to use. There's no actual hashtag strategy to use. Simply train the algorithm. Once you start getting your videos to go viral, then you can start laying off the hashtags. So what I would suggest is, if you've got a new account, maybe you're under 500 followers or 1,000 followers, use the 30 hashtags that are niche specific. And then once you start getting more views and more followers, and let's just say your first 10, 20 videos get, let's just say hypothetically 500 views, and then all of a sudden you get your views up to 10,000, 20,000 or 100,000 views, you know that Instagram has enough data that it knows who to send your videos out to. And because it's sending your videos out to the right type of people, then they're watching more of your video, which is better because that's going to push your content out to the algorithm more, because you're getting more watch time, you're getting more engagement. It's as simple as that. And then once you're getting videos to like 500,000 views or 1 million views, and you're doing it quite regularly, like 1 out of 5 or 1 out of 10 videos, then you don't have to use hashtags anymore. That's the best hashtag strategy. If you like this video, please like it, leave a comment what you thought was the most helpful. Make sure you watch Avita's strategy session that I break down. And if you want me to break down any more strategies, whether it's Neil Patel, Alex Hormozy, I'll be doing Vanessa Lau soon. I'll be doing Roger Benjamin and his strategy on how he's gone from 0 to over 700,000 subscribers on YouTube. Let me know who you want me to break down next, and if there's any strategies you want me to go over. Subscribe to this channel. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.